Hey guys, I was inspired by Alec over at Technology Connections to make a brief video about Christmas lights. He has one of the same pet peeves that I do, which is LED Christmas lights do not have the same warmth as incandescent, and yet incandescent are getting harder and harder to find. He has a whole series where he will take white LEDs and paint them with nail polish and Sharpies and other things, and just goes to way more trouble than I could justify for my decorating, but I think it's really cool. And so I wanted to kind of compare the options that are out there and available in big box stores in terms of the warmth of the LEDs. The overwhelming consensus is that the blue LEDs are way too strong, and so the overwhelming color is blue. And if you go, I mean, heck, I'll show you. We'll go outside. You guys have been at the old crib ski before, and so you can see that if you look out here, it just looks more blue than anything, and there's no real reason. Hey, baby. There's no real reason for it to look that blue. So, and it's not that there's more blue lights, it's just that the blue light is more overwhelming. So, it's ironic because, I'm gonna save the video.